Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add hyperlink in Canva PDF. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on the left side and click on text. Now here, just click on add a text box. Write whatever you want. Okay. Now just right click with your mouse on the text. And here you will see this option link. Click on it and put your link over here. I'm going to put a YouTube video link over here and just click on done and you're good to go. Your hyperlink is added. As you can see, you will click on this text, you will be redirected to this YouTube video. Okay, now just go on top right corner and click on share, click on download and click on this drop down arrow and select PDF standard and just click on download and you're good to go. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add hyperlink in Canva PDF. Thanks for watching.